What a joy it is to begin our morning with prayer. To just move into that space of stillness, the gap between words, absolutely knowing that there is a power and a presence that animates all that we see and all that we are. And as I watched that beautiful sunrise, the pink sky, glorious mountains, I marveled at the hand of God and a world so marvelously made. To know that each and every one of us is a part of that creation. And not only a part of that creation, but an expression of that divine creation. There is a spark within us that is God expressing. And so I just give thanks this morning for this community of beautiful souls connected in love, compassion, and kindness to each other and to all of humanity, affirming that there is indeed a force for good that will always triumph. And just as we have gathered here, so have millions of people on this planet, gathered in a myriad of ways to honor the divine. And we respect and honor those paths to God. I know that it opens our hearts, expands our minds, enlarges our perspective. The mystery, the magic, and the miracles all around us all the time. And so it's with a heart full of thanksgiving that I just release these words and this truth into that beautiful alchemy of love and law, knowing that all is well, because all is God, and so it is. Amen.